In this Hydrossential review, I will share with you on how to simply maintain flawless skin effectively. Make sure you stick till the end of this video, as I will be sharing with you some of the top secrets of maintaining perfect, wrinkle-free skin without causing any side effects. Guys, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, we focus more on detailed product reviews to help on customer purchase and usage. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, and all links in the description section. What is Hydrossential? Hydrossential is an anti-aging product that will work on all 3 layers of your skin, including the epidermis, the subcutaneous tissue, and the dermis. Hydrossential will improve the health of your skin in a revolutionary and new way. To fully understand what the serum can do, it is important to learn about the ingredients individually to help you learn more about the wonders that Hydrossential serum can possibly provide. Jojoba works to repair the veins on your skin on a deeper level. It is powerful enough that it can actually help to eliminate the varicose veins. The ingredient also works to break down the cellulite that's due to the shrinking of your connective tissue. Jojoba oil is not really a famous ingredient that people know, but it is added in Hydrossential because it can actually treat skin problems like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It also serves as a cleansing and moisturizing ingredient all in one. It is safe to be used all over your body and is okay to be used even for sensitive skin. Camellia sinensis is perfect for oxidized or non-oxidized skin. It actually contains anti-inflammatory, astringent, and antibacterial properties that can rejuvenate and keep the skin healthy and beautiful. The ingredient also hydrates the skin, which is good for those trying to get rid of acne. Japanese witch hazel is rich in antioxidants and bioactive extracts that reverse the signs of damage in your skin and provide a lot of nourishment to make your skin look flawless. It also eliminates the toxins and free radicals in your body. The ingredient also supports the healthy production of collagen needed for your skin's health and improvement. Rosemary extract can treat the damages caused by UV rays. It also works to eliminate the free radicals in your body. The ingredient supports healthy cell regeneration and can improve blood circulation throughout your body. Hyaluronic acid can help protect your skin against pollution and dirt. Its concentration mainly focuses on protecting the skin and increasing the anti-inflammatory response in the body. It perfectly supports skin health and reverses the signs of aging, preventing you from having those fine lines and wrinkles. How to use Hydrossential? To use this product, make sure your skin is clean. If you wish, you can exfoliate to remove the dead cell from your skin. This will ensure the product can penetrate deeper into your skin so you can enjoy its benefits. The most significant advantage of this product is that you can use it any time of the day or night. Hydrossential is designed for external use only, and you can apply it under any other cosmetics or moisturizers of your choice. But to be sure your skin is safe, you must also choose organic cosmetics and moisturizers. Before you use this product, you can discuss it with your doctor or dermatologist. You are not supposed to use it if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. Also, if you experience any skin irritation or excessive skin redness after using this product, you can discontinue its use. Pros: Hydrossential is an all-natural and safe-to-use skincare serum. It works on any skin type where it doesn't matter your age. It eliminates all your aging signs and enhances the skin's appearance. Cons: Hydrossential is available only on online purchases. There is no offline availability. Do not expect overnight results, where no product will offer overnight results. Check out the process whether it suits your lifestyle or not. Do not exceed the recommended way of using. Trust me. There is nothing to lose or risk here. I'm so confident that you will love the way this product works for you. Hydrossential offers you great confidence in boosting your skin health. So, what are you waiting for? If you're not satisfied with the results you get, you can ask for a refund. This product comes with a full 100% money-back guarantee. Get Hydrossential today, before the deal ends. Give a thumbs up if you got value out of this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, click the link on the description section to enjoy the benefits of having your skin flawless and glowing complexion, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more of my video content. Thanks for watching.